Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to delve into an interesting problem, reversing an integer while handling overflow and underflow cases. This is number 7 on LeetCode called reverse integer, and today we'll be solving it in C++. Our solution cleverly uses vector manipulation to tackle the problem. Now before we get into the code, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so we're given a class named solution that contains a method called reverse, which reverses the input integer x while carefully handling overflow and underflow conditions. To begin with, we declare a vector of integers called num2vec to store the digits of the input integer in reverse order. We use a while loop to extract each digit from the input integer and add it to the vector num2vec. This effectively reverses the integer. Next, we initialize the variable answer to 0 or ans, which will be the result after reversing the integer. Now, here's the most crucial part of the solution, where we handle overflow and underflow scenarios. We loop through each digit in the vector num2vec. Inside the loop, we use conditional statements to check for overflow and underflow. The first statement, right here, checks if adding the current digit to answer would cause an overflow for positive integers or an underflow for negative integers. So if answer became greater than the maximum value or smaller than the minimum value for a 32-bit signed integer. If the first condition is true, we return 0 immediately as the problem constrains. The second condition checks if multiplying answer by 10 right here and then adding the current digit would result in an overflow for positive integers or an underflow for negative integers. If the second condition is true, we again return 0 to handle the overflow or underflow case. If none of the conditions are met, we safely update answer by multiplying it by 10 and adding the current digit to it, effectively reversing the integer. After the loop, we've successfully reversed the integer and handled overflow and underflow cases. Then we return the reverse integer answer, which is our answer. Now let's go ahead and run this. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.